Hi folks, welcome to another video of Linux commands. So I thought why not make a video on some commands which we have used in our last video. So those folks who haven't watched my last video, just uh, link is coming up on the screen. So you just go and click that link and go to that video. So so the folks who haven't made AWS account till now, you can make by watching my video. It is also coming up. So now let's uh, let's move on to today's plan. So today's plan is to teach you more commands about Linux. So first we will select server and now starts the instance. The server has not started now, so the IP address also we can't see the IP address because it is generating. So once server will start, the IP address will automatically generate. Till now we can open putty and we can choose that putty configuration and another one. So where is putty? Yeah, there it is. So putty gen. So now we have to load our key, which is placed, which is server 1, which is placed in the desktop. uh, Now we have to load. First we have to check, yes, server 1 is started. Now we have to copy IP address of this and paste it in here. Now we have to click on SSH. Now we have to double click on auth. Don't click on plus, just double click on auth and browse the key again, that key of that instance. So server 1 is a key of that instance. So I will opening by click open. So a message pops up and you have to accept, and you have to log in as a EC2 hyphen user. Now you have to be a root user to perform all the tasks in a Linux machine. So you have to do sudo su. So now you are a root user. First, which color should I take now? So I will take color of my font. Today I will take green color. So I've taken green, and the font size will be bold and 20. So that is enough. So yeah, you can see the green colors looks crazy. So this is the root user and this is not root user. So when the terminal shows $sign, it means you are not a root user. You have to do sudo su. So we have discussed it earlier as well in our last video. So yeah, today we will be, let me check what we have done previously in last video. So we have to do ls to check what the content, what the files and the folders are there in my Linux machine. So you have to do ls. So there is dir1 and sports cars. Both are the directories, means both are the folders. So just delete them. rm hyphen rf. So we have to do star means all. So let me explain this command. It is remove. Rm stands for remove, and hyphen r stands for again remove, and f stands for forcefully. It means remove forcefully. And star stands for all. It means remove forcefully all the stuff that is in the Linux machine. If I press enter and now do ls means list to check files and folder. So now there is nothing, it is showing nothing because we have deleted all the stuff which is present in our Linux machine. So today I will teach you how to copy, how to move, how to rename, and I've showed you how to delete all the stuff. Also I will show you how to create multiple directories. uh, so yeah, that all stuff I will teach you today. So let's make a file. So first we will make a file. For making a file, which command you will use? Not for empty file, you have to create a file in which you can write. So for that you can use cat greater than sign and the name of file which you want to give. I want to give file name uh, games. So now I have given the name games, and so I am now in the file which name I have given games. So I am in the file. So now I am writing the text. So first I will do is uh, like what are the games? PUBG, and second is NFS, third is GTA 5, and fourth is uh, what WWE. Now fifth is, we will give just 5 names: PUBG, NFS, GTA 5, WWE, and Minecraft. So that's all. So you have to press enter to go to next line, and you have to press Ctrl plus G to exit from the current file. Now you have written, now you have wrote all the stuff. So you have to do Control plus G to get out of that file. So to check what stuff written in that file, so you have to do cat and just write the name of that file, games. So it is showing PUBG, NFS, GTA 5, Minecraft, WWE, and all the stuff which I wrote just back 2 minutes back. So it is showing that stuff. So just I will write a command clear. After writing clear, you can go on the top. So that is also a cool command. Now we will see how to copy stuff. So first we have to see what are the files we have in my Linux machine. So we have to write ls, and after ls we will see we have only one file which name is games. So now I am doing ctrl. It also do same as as a command do clear. So clear also does the same thing. You can do both, any of them, like ctrl plus l. It is also used for clearing the screen, and you when you write clear command, it is also used for clear screen. So you can do either of them. So uh, to copy command, to copy stuff, not command, to copy stuff, we will use command cp, and cp means copy. In short form we use cp. And so this is my games folder. I am showing you practically what is going on by doing a graphical presentation. I am showing you all the stuff. So uh, my second file name is best 5 games. So in games file I have let's just copy all the stuff. So we have to do cat uh, games. So this is the stuff in game. So I am copying it right now. So yeah, so I will show you what is happening here. Here you have all this stuff uh, which we have written in a file. So I am copying this stuff in a blank file. So that's what I am going to do. So let's just clear the screen first. So right now the command is cp. First you have to mention where is the source, from where you have to copy the stuff, the content. So I have to copy the stuff from the games file, not a folder, not a directory, it's a file. So I have to copy from games, and where I want to paste it, I want to paste it in best 5 games file, not a directory. So yeah, it the stuff is copied. I want to show you. So I want to uh, yeah, cat best 5 games. So as you can see, the stuff is copied, all the stuff is copied uh, in from the games folder to the best game folder. So you can also see by uh, if I do cat games, so the stuff it is also have, and also the stuff. So yeah, I have so like I have to show you what I did. So like if I copy this stuff, and this is a blank file, so I have pasted all the stuff in it. So that's what I have did in my Linux machine. So let's just clear the screen. So now moving on to the next command, which is mv. Mv means move. So you have to do mv first. Let's see what we have right now. So we have so this so this file is created because I have used here capital B, and here it is a small b, so it has created another file. So this happens because the Linux is very case sensitive. If you don't mean what is case sensitive, you can google it right now. So yeah, just clear all the stuff. Rm hyphen rf, r stands for remove, f stands for forcefully, and star stands for all the files, all the stuff you have in the Linux machine. So I have removed. So now do ls. Ls means list. So list, there is nothing. So why not clear all the commands? Yeah, so I just want to uh, make some files, uh, not touch, by using touch command. I will make by, because so yeah so now we are heading towards the move command. So what move commands look like? It is like a cut paste. It is not copy paste, it is cut paste. So I will be showing you right now. So you have to uh, make some files for that. File 1 and file 2. Oh shit, both are the same files. So let's do one thing. R Let's see what. So the so for file 1 is created, so I have to create one more file. Now let's just do touch file 2. So now I have to check. We have two files. One is file 1, another one is file 2. So let's just clear. So now it's time to check what move does, what copy paste does, how copy paste looks like in Linux. So mv file 1. No. So I want to tell you all guys that the move command only uh, works on a directory, because I want to show you something. Like you can add stuff here, but you can't add a file in it. You only can add a file in a folder. Like this is a folder, and these are the files. So that is the graphical presentation of that. So like I want to, first I will do ls. We have both files, file1 file2. Let's just do one thing, that make dir means make directory mkdir and directory 1. So I have given name directory 1. So let's just do one thing, ls. So we have one directory which name is directory 1 and two files, file 1 and file 2. So if I want to move file 1 into the directory dir1, so what is the command? mv for move. Which file you want to move? We want to move uh, file 1 to like what is the destination where you want to paste that particular file. So uh, you have to tell the linux like where you want to paste. You have cut the file, that's okay. Which file you have cut, that's okay, but where you have to paste. So you have to give the location, the destination, and the destination is dir1. dir1 means directory 1. So now I have pressed enter and no error come out. It means uh, you are good to go. So you have to do ls. So now file 1 is not showing to me, only file 2 is showing, and directory 1, because the file 1 is cut and pasted in directory 1. I'll show you that. uh, so just rename it dir1, dir1. So that is my directory name. And the so let's just do, let's delete them and make a new file which name is file 1 and file 2. So the both files are not in the directory. The both files I have to uh, do that. So assume that my file 1 and file 2 are there, both of them are out of the dir1. But now what I have did by using the mv command, mv file 1 cut and pasted in directory 1. So it is like you can, so I have cut it and now I have pasted it. So the file 1 is not here, only file 2 is left. So just like that, here also it is happen same. You can relate the graphical presentation and the CLI command line interface. You can relate them both. So there is dir1 and there is file 2, and in that case here it is also dir1 and file 1 is into the directory 1. It means file 1 is into the directory 1 folder. In Windows, in Linux, it is file 1 is into the directory 1. So we will use, you all know who are watching first time this video. So the directory word is used in Linux for folder, and folder used in Windows, as you all know. So now if you want to see where is file 1, you have to go inside the directory 1. So right now I am not in directory, I am in ec2 user. So to go into directory 1, you have to cd means change directory, cd and dir1. So dir1. So now I will press enter. Now I am in the directory 1, you all can see. And if I write command ls there is file 1 because it is cut and pasted. So yeah, that is the way you can understand all the concepts. So if I want to go back, we have to do cd, it means change directory, and single dot represent current directory, and another dot means another directory, which means I am going back, so in previous folder. So now you can see I am in ec2 user, which is our root user, so which is our root folder. So I think you all guys can relate it. So there is one more command which I will be using. So first I will do ls there is directory 1 and file 2. So just let's just clear all the stuff here. So let's just see what all we have. ls we have directory 1 and file 2. In the directory 1 we have file 1. So if I want to rename, file 1, so for that, in that case, we will use mv, same command which is used for moving, which is used for cut pasting. We will use same command, mv file 2 file, I will say up not renamed file, so yeah, so mv file 2 is the file, and which name you want to give, you have to mention that, but note it down that the name which you are giving does not exist in any file or directory, so there will be conflict and uh, nothing will happen. So I will press enter now, and my file name is renamed. So if I want to check, I want to do ls to show list, ls renamed file. So before that command, the name was file 2, and now the name is file rename file. So you have to pay attention and note it down in your file, not in file, make your own notes. I will say make your own notes, and not, if you don't want to make notes, don't, just do practice, and practice, it will make you perfect in linux. So I think all the commands are covered. If I am missing some command, copy command is yeah, we have discussed, and we have discussed about mv and copy, rename, cut, paste. So I think there is no command left out. So yeah, one more thing, yeah. So like I want to show you, like I am first I will delete it. So yeah, so in, like you all are familiar with the windows. So in windows there are some hidden files. So to view them, you have to check this box, and so you can see this is a hidden file, and this is also a hidden file which is grayed out. If you don't want to view, you just, and the files are gone. So like that, similarly like that, we also have some hidden files in our linux. To show them, to see them, you have to do ls means list, and you have to write hyphen a, hyphen a, hyphen a means a for all, list all means list the regular files and folder, also list the hidden files and folder. So if you press enter, so yeah, you can see that the files which are starting from dot, these are the hidden files. So these are the hidden files which is present in our linux, and this is the directory one, which is a regular file, and this is also file which we have renamed right now. So these are these both are the regular file, but this files and folders which are starting from dot, these are the hidden files. So let's just do one thing. Let's just make a hidden file. So to make a hidden file, what you have to do, you have to write same command touch, but before entering the name, as you all know that the hidden file starts from dot, so you have to give dot and you have to give name. So I am giving hidden file. So the name I've given is hidden file. So I press enter, so it is created. If you do regular ls, it shows only the regular files, but if you do ls hyphen a, it means you want to see hidden files also with the regular files. So here is my hidden file. It is created by dot, because you all know dot represent hidden file. And let's just do one thing. First I will clear all the stuff here. Yeah, so if you want to see more like list, if you want to see all list means it will show hidden files, it will show regular files, it will also show you date and time when it was created. So you have to do hyphen al represents all. So you can see the hidden files are there starting with dot, and regular files are here. This is the regular file, and this is also a hidden file, and when it was created. So this is the when it was created and what was the time. So all the details are there. So that's pretty good, you can check it out. So that's about it for today's video. I think I have covered all the stuff which I want to cover in this video. So see you soon, and we will be meeting in the next video.